guys, welcome to another piano tutorial lesson. And so today I'll be teaching you On Top My Matter by Adele. And I'll first of all play the song and then I do the tutorial as usual. Okay, I'm playing the key of C, so let's get started. Okay. Okay guys, so that is it. That's all about the song. All right, and start with the intro of the song. All right, I've used so many voices. So the intro, that is because of Jesus. All right, I was using marimba and vibes. Okay, marimba, most pianos you easily find that. All right, I was using. So first of all, let me give you the chord progression of the song that I was playing with my left hand. Okay, so these are broken chords: C, C, C. Okay, this marimba. Okay, so it's C, that's C, A minor. All right, Z minor and G major chord. Okay. Alright, so that's it with the left hand. That is cool. Alright, so what I was playing with my right hand, that is the because of Jesus. So I press this. That's my you can press the F chord. You can press C chord major. You can press this one as well. Then G. So normally I was using the broken chords like I was using the broken chords like I already played. Okay, so I omitted this guy when I was playing this, so I instead used it like this. Okay, so okay, so what I was playing with my right hand is this: do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re. So that's it all. I take it slowly. that's all. Okay, so I want to show you when to enter, I mean the combination of the two. Okay, so you press it, that's C major, then A minor. Now start with mi, fa, mi, fa, sol, then Z minor. Then G, C, do, re. So that's all. Okay, then the is on my matter. Oh, okay. I was playing something like this. The same key, all right. The same it's still the same chord progression. That is 1 1 1 6 2 2 5. All right. So I was. Let me do it slowly. C 2 5 in 1 1 C 1 C 2 2 5. Okay, then you can also play up here. This one you are using inversion, so excuse me, when you are playing and you are using inversions, it makes your playing to be beautiful. All right, so in fact I can say that's all about the song. That's all right. So you just need to know the chord progression, and you harmonize, you put any type of melody that you like. All right, so I was using marimba voices. I also used Galaxy and some other voice combined. All right. Yeah, this is how the other voice sound. I was also using ocarina and record as well. All right. So this. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and please, if not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button, and God bless you.